Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel Backblaze subscription. Okay, so first of all, before cancellation, what you have to do, you need to find out how many product you are using with Backblaze, because you can cancel your subscription only by canceling your services. Okay, so first of all, you need to log in into your account, and once you're logged in, you need to select your profile icon, and you need to select settings option. And once you select setting option, at the very bottom side there is product enable product list. So you can see over here, in my case I have only computer backup, and in your case maybe you have three options, in your case maybe you have two or three options. Okay, so you can now how many services you are taking from, you can say, like this Backblaze. Okay, now what you have to do, you need to select this profile icon, you need to select billing option, and once you are on this page you can cancel your subscription very easily. Okay, or you can cancel your you can select services, and by using this way you can cancel your Backblaze subscription. This is the only method. Okay, now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.